Hello, let us continue the quadratic equations topic. In the previous classes, we have discussed the two problems, and now the new question. Let us see the question. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. In equation, x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is less than or equal to modulus of x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. It is not the equation, it is an inequation. Let us solve this inequation. Okay? If this inequation contains the modulus here, so whenever the modulus is given, how to solve the inequation, let us see. The first thing, we have to change the modulus to left side. Just we have to interchange, just reversing of the inequation. So I will make the reverse the inequation, LHS to RHS, and inequation also changes. Here less than or equal to is there, it changes as greater than or equal to. So the solution, given that the modulus of x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by x minus 2. This is the given inequation. Next here, two cases will arise. You see, the modulus means absolute value of the inside number. For example, mod x means the positive value of x. Positive value of x. For example, modulus of minus 5, what is the positive value? 5. Modulus of 5 is 5. Modulus of 0 is 0. So here also modulus of anything, x minus 2 by x minus 1, anything, the value definitely will come as 0 or greater than 0, 0 or positive. But right side, there is no restriction for the right side. The value may be negative or positive, right side value. Therefore, according to the right side value, let us separate this question into the two cases. One is the RHS is less than or equal to 0, one case. And the second case, RHS is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. I will take. Whenever you take the mod x minus 2 by x minus 1 is the positive value. Okay. LHS is a positive value. Suppose if you consider the RHS is a negative, is it possible inequation is satisfied? Yes. Because LHS is positive, if you take any number for LHS, for example 5, and RHS any negative number you take, minus 4, you see which is greater, which is lesser. 5 is greater than minus 4. The inequation is satisfied. The inequation is satisfied means the LHS value is either greater than RHS or equal to RHS. Then only inequation is satisfied. So therefore we can assume the RHS value either negative or positive. In two cases we can split the problem. So case 1, assume that x minus 4 by x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Negative means less than 0 and equal to 0 also is allowed. Now let us find the values of x for this inequation. Okay, to find the values of this inequation will come as the interval of the numbers. A set of the numbers will come. That set of the numbers can be expressed as the interval. That interval can be found by a particular method. That method is called wavy curve method. So I will say the wavy curve method. First, make the each factor with 0. Then x values will come 4 and -2. These are called critical points. Now arrange the critical points in the consecutive order, means lowest to highest we have to arrange them. Okay, -2 is the smaller, next 4. And before -2 write the minus infinity, after 4 write the plus infinity. Now here let us write the sign of the expression, this expression sign only let us collect. How to decide the sign of x minus 4 by x plus 2? Sign means negative number or positive number. So this gap represent, the space represent all the numbers between minus infinity and -2. This space or gap represent all the numbers between -2 and 4. This is 4 and infinity, all the numbers. To decide in this interval minus infinity comma -2, to decide the expression value, this expression value negative or positive or, to decide it, just very simple, take any number for x which is less than -2. According to your convenience, you can choose any number which is less than -2. So I will take x equal to -3, and in the rough work x equal to -3, put x equal to -3 in x minus 4 by x plus 2, then -3 minus 4 divided by -3 minus 2 minus 7 by -1. 7 positive. We got the positive number. Therefore, in this interval, this expression sign is positive. The value of the expression is positive. Therefore, let us write as plus sign. Okay. Next one, in the next interval, the sign of this expression is negative. Alternate signs will come. Next positive, next negative, next positive, etc. Next negative sign, next positive sign. Now this method of deciding the signs is called the wavy curve method. Wavy curve method. Now we want the negative cases, negative interval. Where is the negative interval? -2 to 4. In this -2 to 4 interval, this is a negative. Therefore, we have to collect for this inequation. What is this inequation? X minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. For x belongs to -2 comma 4, -2 to 4, all numbers from -2 to 4, beginning number -2 and the last ending number 4. Now here one question is arised. For the values of x, -2 should be joined, included, should not be included. Similarly 4 should be included, should not be included. Okay, if equality is there, the end points, end numbers may be included. You can join them whenever equality also is given. Because equality is given, so we can make join 4 in our set of the values of x. How to show it? By the square bracket we can show it. If you put the square bracket, that means 4 also value of the x. If you put the this bracket, open bracket, if you put like that, the 4 is not included for the values of x. But here we want to include the 4 for values of x. Therefore, the square bracket must be mentioned. What about the minus 2? Okay. If you include x equal to minus 2, you see the denominator, then x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. The denominator is 0. Remember that always, if the denominator is 0, it is the meaningless number, undefined number. In such cases, we have to avoid that such a type of the x values. Therefore, minus 2 should not be included because the denominator is getting 0. So, open bracket we have to mention there. Okay. So, in one case, we got the solution interval. The solve means we have to find the solution. Solution means set off all the x values. Those x values are represented by an interval. So we got the one interval. Next, we have to go to the second case. In the second case also, we will obtain the some solution set. Case 2. Assume that the x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Next, let us go to the original inequation. This inequation here, this implies mod x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is greater than or equal to x minus 4 by x plus 2. Now this is the positive number. We have to assume this is the positive number. Okay, I will say the one formula about the modulus property. So if it is a general property for the modulus, if mod x inside of the modulus is anything, mod x means inside of the modulus may be anything, is greater than or equal to some positive real number. Mod x greater than or equal to a means I am assuming a is any positive real number. If any inequation is such that then x has the some interval, then minus a, then x is less than or equal to minus a or x greater than or equal to a. Any one of the conditions hold here, both does not hold at once. Either x less than or equal to minus a holds or x greater than or equal to a holds. So in the second case, this second case again split into the two cases. Now this is one case, it is other case. Okay. So let us write in the second case, let it be a, the case number a. What should be taken? This modulus. Then what is the x value inside of the modulus? It is less than or equal to minus of the right side number. So x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 less than or equal to minus of x minus 4 by x plus 2. Next, don't make the cross multiplication in the whenever the denominators are the variables. X is the variable, so don't make the cross multiplication. What should we do now? Just we have to take the right side number to left side LHS. So x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 4 by x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. After that, taking the LCM, take the LCM. LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 2. Here x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus x minus 1 into x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Okay. Let us simplify this one. Now don't remove the factors here. Let us keep like that. here let us multiply at the numerator. X square minus 4 plus x square minus 5x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. 4 may be cancelled. 2x square minus 5x divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. To find the solution set of this inequation, we have to obtain numerator and denominator as the linear factors, product of the linear factors. So that is why we have to take x as common factor here. X is the common. So x into 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So for this inequation, what will happen the solution set? We have to follow the Wavy curve method. So in the Wavy curve method, first we have to find the critical points. The critical points means the values of x by equating the each factor with 0. So whenever put x equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5 by 2. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. X plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Then we have to arrange them in the proper order, lowest to highest. But first thing, minus infinity. Next, which is the smallest? Negative number, minus 2. Next, greater number, 0. Next, 1. Next, 5 by 2. And finally, infinity. Infinity. Now I will say the technique here. The sign of this expression we can identify very easily. I will say the technique here. How many factors are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. Now for the critical points, there are the intervals. One interval, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intervals are there. Now this is the first interval. The first interval sign can be decided according as the number of the factors. Okay. If the number of the factors are odd, either 3 or 5 or 7, then the first interval, in the first interval, the expression sign is negative. Okay. After that, alternatively, the sign will change. If the number of the factors are even, either 2 factors or 4 factors or 6 factors, then the sign of the expression in the first interval is positive. Now here how many factors are here? 4 factors are here. Therefore, in the first interval, the sign of the expression is positive. So I will write the sign positive, next negative, next positive, next negative, next positive. Okay. The which interval we have to collect here? Positive sign interval or negative sign interval? You see here, less than 0. Negative interval we have to collect. Where? Here, minus 2 to 0 and 1 to 5 by 2. We have to collect them. So in this case here, the interval of x belongs to here minus 2 to 0. The what type of the brackets to be used here? Equality is there. So 0 and minus 2 also may be included. But if you include the minus 2, then denominator will come 0. So minus 2 should not be included. 1 also should not be included. The 0 can be included. 0 here 5 by 2 you can include. So minus 2 should not be included, 0 can be included. Again, the interval is broken and started from other numbers 1 to 5 by 2. So therefore we have to put the union and 1 should not be included. So open bracket, 5 by 2 may be included. So 5 by 2. It is the interval for the case A. Next. And case B, let us go for the case B. Now what is the case B here? X is greater than or equal to A. Here x means this one, A means this one. That is x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by x plus 2. Again taking to LHS, x minus 4 by x plus 2, and taking LCM, x square minus 4 minus of x square minus 5x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. What is it is greater than or equal to 0. Minus 2 to 4, the interval came for the case 1. X square cancelled. Now minus 4 plus 5x, again minus 4. 5x minus 8 will come. 5x minus 8 divided by denominator x minus 1 into x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, x square cancelled, minus 4 minus 8, and here x minus 1, x minus 4, okay, this is minus 5x plus 4, okay, correct. Now here we got the three factors. Now again let us find the solution set by using the wavy curve method. I will write the critical points equating x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, and 5x minus 8 equal to 0, x is equal to 8 by 5. Which is smallest? This is smallest. Next 1, next 8 by 5. So let us arrange the critical points: minus infinity, minus 2, 1, 8 by 5, and infinity. Let us write the signs. Sign. Now because the factors are 3, odd number of the factors, therefore in the first interval the expression is negative. So here this is negative, next positive, next negative, next positive. Now here what type of interval we have to collect? The negative interval we have to collect, because here, no, not negative, positive interval we have to collect. This is the positive interval, next it is the positive interval. So in this case the solution set x belongs to minus 2 to 1, and minus 2 should not be included and 1 also should not be included. Next union 8 by 5 to infinity. 8 by 5, is it included or not? Yes, can be included. So 8 by 5 comma infinity. Okay. We got the three varieties of the solutions in the three cases. The all are the optional solutions, either first case or second case or third case. So we have to take the union of these all the sets. Okay, first case, second case, third case. We have to take the union. Okay. So how to find the union of these all the sets? I will say the one method. Let us draw a line, horizontal line, to find the union. This line is called the number line. Number line means nothing. Just on a line, just we identify all real numbers as a points on the line. So here minus infinity put the plus infinity here, every real number lies between minus infinity and plus infinity. Now next, collect all the numbers in each case. The numbers are the end values of each interval. This is one end value. Here, this is are the end values. Or critical points, you can say that. Collect all the critical points. I will collect all the critical points. -2, 4, here, -2, 0, -2 already written, not necessary, 0, 1, 5/2, -2 already over, 1 also over, 8/5. Okay, these are the critical points. Now we have to arrange them in the increasing order. What is the least number? -2. You have to identify anywhere. Next number 0. Next 1. Next 5/2. This is 8/5. How much value? 8/5. 1 point something. 2 times 10, 1 point something. So next 8/5. Next 5/2, 2.5. 5/2 is 2.5. Next finally 4. Up to infinity. Last number infinity. Okay. Now let us identify the intervals in the first case, second case, third case by rounding off. This interval -2 to 4, from this point to 4. So therefore just we have to round off like this. This is the first case. Next, in the second case, -2 to 0. Next, 1 to 5/2. 1 to 5/2. Next, in the third case, this is the second case, case A. This is case A. Now case B, where this is case B. -2 to 1. Okay. Next, 8/5 to infinity. Okay. We have to identify the union. The union is the total region of all the sets. Total region. So the region of all the sets started from -2